Hey guys, we're getting ready to ship out lots of products today. We have the hair serum, we have a lot of Sime Contra, we have tea balm, mint, we have armoires, and Chef Jojo's exotic spices, associate, dandelion, those armoires, ginger, and aloe vera and lemongrass. I love lemongrass. Thank you so much. So I'm going to package those and the mailman is going to pick up in a few hours. Thank you again. Mwah.